Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Did you know that a speaker could have 1,000,001 uses? Well, maybe just 1,000,000. I love how portable this DOSS speaker is. I love to use it when I'm getting ready or if I want to relax and take a bath, especially whenever I'm cooking dinner and I can watch movies. And then we can take it with us if we want to go and just relax and enjoy some time outside. It's super easy to connect. All you have to do is turn on the power button and then connect it to the Bluetooth on your device and it's ready to go. And my favorite feature is the circle on top. You just swirl it to turn it up and down. I love that it comes with a little charger. It charges within 3 to 4 hours and that it's water resistant so I don't have to worry. And it's very super portable so I can take anywhere I want. So if you're looking for a hardcore portable speaker that has excellent sound, I highly recommend this speaker from DOSS. And that is just my point of view.